In order to access to the optical to RF converter, we head to the TV analyzer mode and roll down the upper menu. We select the LNB optical option and enable the optical feature. Now we can see the optical power meter on the right, which will help us to identify which wavelength we are receiving an optical signal from. On the left, we can see another menu that allows us to choose which wavelength we want to convert back to RF. Once this is set up, we can go back to the spectrum analyzer screen. If we roll the left menu to the center and set the band to satellite, whenever we select a combination of a specific polarization and satellite band, the meter will show you that content in the spectrum analyzer screen in full span. In the lower part of the screen, you can see the frequency you are tuning within that band, and as well the original downlink frequency from the satellite. Any of these RF satellite signals, after fiber optic to RF conversion, can be analyzed. As with the RF signals being input through the standard RF input, you can tune any of the satellite transponders, and if under DVB-S S2 or DVB-S2X standards, the meter will demodulate them and provide you with the whole set of after demodulation measurements, decoded picture, transport stream analysis, and so on. If the fiber optic cable that you are inputting into the meter is carrying signals that were originally belonging to the RF terrestrial band and have been distributed via fiber optics, then you will need to roll the left menu to the center and select terrestrial band instead. This will make the meter display that terrestrial band after fiber optic to RF conversion. Likewise, here you can use the spectrum analyzer measurement tools as usual to tune, demodulate and decode the corresponding video services carried by the terrestrial multiplexes in that band.